This is the new way to move money inside your M1 Finance portfolio. As you can see on the home page at the top right, there's a button, Move Money. Let's click on that. Brings down a drop down of the options, one time, reoccurring, smart. We also have a wire transfer, a transfer from another brokerage, or an existing we can manage. For this demonstration, let's click on one time transfer. Brings up this next page. We get to choose how much we would like to transfer. I'm going to move $25. Type it in there, and I'm going to bring it from my external account. This is my checking account at another bank. I'm going to move it into my Brandon Div portfolio. I'm going to do this one time. You also have some other options here to make it reoccurring, but I'm going to click it one time. Let's click on Review. $25 to my portfolio. Click Confirm. Now I have $25 that should reach my account by the next business day. That's how you move money the new way in M1 Finance.